Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you one new model, CP7. It's an electric 3-wheel scooter with articulating back. It has two models at the back, so offer more power during riding. Let's check the battery part first. This scooter has two sets of removable lithium battery. One set is under the seat and another set is right under the foot patch. We have keys to lock the battery under the seat so that it can preventing from moving during riding. We also designed for the keyless start system so that you can start the scooter. Just press the starting button and without keys. Now let me show you more details about the upgrade articulating back compared with the normal CP3 3-wheel scooter. I will show you this real quick. We will release the lock on it and see how far that can lean left and right. Now that allows you to go over the side hills, bumps, everything without having to worry about it. Kind of fun of two-wheelers, but the stability of a trike. We have 3 gears for this model, 1, 2, 3, and with different accelerating speed. And we have a reverse button for this model. And checking the buttons for high beam and deep beam, also with the left and right lines, home buttons, locking mechanism that keeps it from articulating, so you flip that down and now it's free. For more information on these electric vehicles as well as our other models that we have available, 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, you can hit our website at linkseride.com. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Bye.